Hey, beautiful friends. Welcome to this short and powerful yin yoga meditation. Today, we're slowing down and creating space, allowing a new energy to flow through with yin yoga, vagus nerve stimulation, and somatic exercises. I'm using 2 blocks, but I really encourage you to grab your bolsters and blankets or whatever you might need to set up a nice, cozy, supported space. Now, join me on the mat. Come and have a seat. Let's imagine ourselves as trees. We see trees in nature release their leaves for new growth effortlessly. We too can make space for what no longer serves us. Today, we will make space for renewal. Now take a moment and set your intention. What do you need most in this moment? Let's hold that intention in your heart. Let's move forward onto our hands and knees. Come on down onto your abdomen and let's press up into a seal pose. You can make this more yin in nature or more yang in nature. So you can stay in a sphinx variation on your forearms. You can also use some props underneath your hips and your pelvis, like I'm demonstrating. Pillows, blankets, bolsters. You can bring it all the way up to your chest. And then we're going to twist this over to the left and play with staggering your legs, maybe taking that top leg behind the bottom leg and see how that feels. And you're also welcome to bend your knees here. It's really important that you listen to your body and adjust the practice for you. Honoring the fact that this is a yin practice and we don't need to warm up. But if you need to adjust it, then go ahead and do so. Holding this pose passively, just connect to the rhythm of your heart and the energy flow. Here we're activating the stomach and spleen meridians, which help with our digestion. And that's not just about food, but of life and emotions. We're also stimulating the liver meridian, which is deeply connected to our emotional flow and detoxification. Just let this gentle compression release and allow your body to unwind. It's really very much like a river clearing out debris. This pose allows fresh energy to move through. Stillness is my sanctuary, where deep healing unfolds naturally. I trust my body's wisdom to heal, to restore, and to renew. As we approach the end of our pose, my friends, we're introducing some gentle somatic movement, moving away from the stillness of the yin, creating some awareness. Inhaling, lifting the heart. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift the heart and twist gently towards your right. Exhale and soften. And one more time, just connect to the breath. And when you are ready, gently release the pose. Guide your hips back and meet me in a child's pose. Knees are wide. Shift all the way back. Soften here. Now we're introducing some gentle bee buzzing breath to stimulate our vagus nerve. Inhaling, and as you exhale, you're going to say the word or sound, Om, but with your lips closed. Inhale. Allow that vibration to move from your throat throughout your body. Let's do that 2 more times, or if you prefer, you can do it more or less. Inhale. Breathe in. Inhale and reach your arms out just subtly like a cat, stretching into the earth. Maybe even tent your fingertips. And then exhale, just melt into the earth. In my stillness, my body is listening and recalibrating. Let's connect to the breath. Gently lift the hips, come forward onto your hands and knees, and then bring your hips towards the earth into your swan or any variation. We're going to twist this to the left now. Excuse my backside. Then simply ask your body to surrender, clearing stagnant pathways and inviting in fresh vitality in our bodies and minds. In each moment, I let go of resistance and welcome in new, deep peace. I am whole, I am balanced, and I flow effortlessly with life's rhythm. I surrender. I allow energy to flow through me freely. Inhale, let's lift the heart and spiral. And then exhale, soften, melt. 2 more times. Inhale, lift, and rotate ever so slightly. Maybe bring your gaze. Exhale and soften. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, spiral. And exhale, release. Okay, friends, let's bring our energy back into the earth, deepen the breath, and gently shift your weight back towards towards your feet and come onto your hands and knees. Just take your hips from side to side, give them a little wag. Maybe stretch open your jaw. And then we're going to inhale. As you exhale, round through the spine. Inhale and arch. Let's do a couple more cat-cows and let out a little bee buzzing breath. Again, tapping into the parasympathetic nervous system. Now gently crisscross your legs underneath you. Have a seat. Pausing here once more, feeling yourself grounded like that tree, letting go and shaking off your leaves and connecting into that intention. Feel it in your heart. Bring your hands to your heart and your third eye. Om Shanti, 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 Namaste. I'm very excited to share with you that I now have an exclusive membership on both YouTube and on Patreon for those of you who need a little extra support on your wellness journey. And I also am thrilled to share with you a free weekly calendar to make your life easier and your practices more regular. If you're ready for more practices like this, please type below, Healing Yin.